In today's video, we are going to show you how to add bank details to invoices in Xero. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Once you are in the dashboard, I want you to go on the top menu and hover over to the sales section and click the invoices. Select the invoice that you wanted to add your bank details. For example, I am choosing this invoice. Click on it so that the details will appear. For you to select the invoice details, click the three dots icon on the top corner. You see the info settings. Click on it. Now on the options drop-down menu, I want you to click the preview and edit the invoice theme. What will happen is you will be forwarded to the page wherein you have the ability to add additional business details. Okay? Scroll down until you find the payment. The payment section allows you to give your customers more ways to pay by adding your credit and debit card payments. With that, okay, click the save theme and setup stripe. You will be automatically forwarded here. Okay, so if you want to add your online payments to your invoices and choose how customers pay you, this is the perfect opportunity to add your bank. Now, you have three options. If you want to complete the stripe setup, you can do so. If you want to add a cardless account from a customer's bank account, click this option. But if you don't have a specific bank account and you're just using PayPal, it's okay. Click the add a PayPal account and get set up with PayPal. And that's it. That's how you add bank details to invoices in Xero. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.